A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject English of 9th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, as in the earlier class, we have started the chapter 1, the unit 1 of subject English of 9th class. So, what is the unit name? What is the unit name? So, in the unit name, we have started A reading. So what is the A reading lesson name? The A reading lesson name is The Snake and the Mirror. The snake and the mirror. The snake and the mirror. So this is a lesson A reading of unit 1. A reading of unit 1. So what is the lesson name? The snake and the mirror. So in this lesson already we have discussed some part. So what happened in the previous part? So one of the homeopathy doctor, he was telling one of the story of his own experience. So what happened regarding the snake? So in his experience, so he has he has experienced the snake. He has experienced some of the snake. So snake, what the character of snake and what is the thing? So he has some of the experience with the snake. So in his life. So this one he was explaining to some of his friends or someone. So who are listening to him. So actually this person was a homeopathy doctor. He had experienced one of the memorable experience with the snake. So that one he is telling as a story. So in the previous class, so how he started the story? So he started with his then lifestyle. So with his lifestyle of experience. So what was his lifestyle at the time? So when he had an experience with the snake, so his lifestyle, his culture, so his behavior, so his way of living in the house, in which type of house. So that one we have seen in the previous class. So how he was stayed? So he was stayed in one of the small rented house which was not electrified, and he is having so very little type of groceries and a very little type of clothes. So with a less salary, that means his amount of, so whatever the income that was meager. Meager means very less or unsatisfied. He was not at all satisfied with his income. So whatever he was getting. So like that. So one day he what is there in his story? So there was in that story he was sitting on one day at the night time. He was sitting on the chair and he opened one of the book named The Materia Medica. The Materia Medica. So this book is for the natural treatment. So the persons who are about to treat the persons in with the natural way of style. So that for that person this book is very much useful, as we have learnt in the previous class. So he opened this book and he was about to start the reading of this book. So suddenly at the time he in front of this person there was one of the mirror, and beside the mirror there was one of the comb which we comb to the hair. So by seeing that one, what is happened, we shall see in this class. Okay. So by seeing that one, so what happened? So to that person, what he had think, that one we shall see in the today's class. I hope so. Up to here you have understood very well. So the story is continuing in the present class. So we shall see with the page number 4. In the page number 4, the next part is a. So just listen carefully. One by one para I will read and I will explain. See the next para. So what happened? We shall see. One feels tempted. One feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near. One feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near. I took a look. In those days, I was a great admirer of beauty. Great admirer of beauty. Great admirer of beauty. And I believed in making myself look handsome. I was unmarried and was a doctor. I felt I had to make my presence felt. I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. Adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. Again, I heard that sound from above. Okay. So here, whenever he was, so when at the moment of he seeing that comb and the mirror, he took that one. So at that time, what is this person's character means? So generally someone who by seeing the mirror they will feel tempted. Tempted means they will feel surprised. So here by seeing the mirror, so I want to clean my face neat. I want to clean my hair neat. I want to keep my hair neat and tidy, like that. Everyone will think. So here this person also, by looking into the mirror and the comb, he suddenly started to have a look onto his face and his hair. So like that he was having a look so on the mirror. So at that time when this experience was happening, at that time what is his experience means? So he was one of the great admirer of his beautiness. So admirer means a great respect, giving a great respect. So this is a very important meaning. Admire means to have a great respect towards someone or something. Okay, admire means great, to give a great respect. So this is a very important meaning. Okay, which is not there in your textbook. So here he at the time of his experience, he was one of the great admirer of his beauty. So how he was a great admirer of his beauty means, so he used to have, that his face should be very neat and clean, so without any dark spots or any type of spots. So also along with that, his hair, so he used to comb his hair. So how he used to comb his hair? So that the partings, so that the partings of the hair, see the partings of the hair, so he used to adjust the partings of the hair. Partings means so generally, see, if a person say eyes are this one, so this nose and this is mouth. So here the hair will be. So at some place there will be a parting like this. So this type of parting. So this parting is called this place, the spot where the hair is divided. So that place is called parting. He used to adjust that parting. So that how he used to adjust? He used to adjust that. So the total hair should be very neat and tidy, with a shining black color. So like that he used to adjust that one. Okay. So like that he is having so many different types of ideas. so many types of thoughts to become very to look handsome and very neat and to have a good personality, like that he used to have. Okay, like this he used to do at the time. So suddenly once again while he was doing this type of adjusting, so once again he heard the same noise. So in the previous class I said that, so he heard one of the familiar noise. So again the same noise he heard once again. Okay, again he forgot that one. Okay, then afterwards what happened, we shall see. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. I made an important decision. I would shave daily and grow a thin moustache to look more handsome. I was, after all, a bachelor and a doctor. So he is, what happened to him? So after that, after forgetting about that noise, once again he had a close look. Close look means to go very nearer to that mirror, and he used to see his face, only his face. So what he observed? So I made an important decision. At that time he had one of the important decision. Decision means important idea. So important thing about himself. Okay, important notice. So what is that important decision means? I would shave daily and grow a thin moustache to look more handsome. So he used to shave daily, it seems. So daily he wants to shave his face. So his chin. So whatever the chin is there, he used to shave. He wants to shave daily, it seems. Okay. Why he wants to shave daily? Because to look very handsome, very neat and very handsome. Okay. So and along with that, he decided to grow a thin moustache. Thin moustache means whatever the hair growing on the, see. Okay. Here I will write. So moustache. Moustache means hair growing above the upper lip. So moustache means hair growing above the upper lip. So this is called a moustache. So he used to grow he decided to grow very thin hair. Thin hair means very small hair. Okay, not very big. So very small hair. Okay. So like that he used to have a decision to look more handsome. I was, after all, a bachelor and a doctor. So at that time what he was just a bachelor. Bachelor means an unmarried man. So that is called, he is called a bachelor, and a doctor. So doctor means every time he should be very neat, because whoever the patient comes, they should also inspire him. Okay, by seeing the doctor only, the patients should feel that the doctors are very neat and tidy. So like that he used to have this type of decisions. Okay, like this. Next, I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. I made another earth-shaking decision. Earth-shaking means not earth-shaking. The earth-shaking means it is one of the phrasal verb. I will explain. I would always keep that attractive smile on my face to look more handsome. I was, after all, a bachelor and doctor too on top of it. Okay, here by looking into the mirror he smiled, and once again he took another earth-shaking decision. Earth-shaking decision means here important decision. Earth-shaking means very important or very significant decision. Okay, So earth shaking decision. I would always keep that attractive smile on my face. So by seeing, so every time I should have some of the attractive smile on his face. So on my face, every time there should be some of the attractive smile. Why? Because by looking into another person, every person should think that he was somehow the sensitive person. He was like a sensitive person, like that. Everyone should think like that. Like this person was having the decisions. Okay. So to look more handsome. Okay. Next, I was after all a bachelor and doctor too. On top of it, he added, like that. He was adding. So once again, he was adding. So I was after all, I was a bachelor. That means unmarried man, and that too I was a doctor. So that's why I should maintain some smile on my face. Okay. So along with that, I should shave daily, and I should grow some thin mustache. Okay, like that. He used to have the decisions. Okay, this type of decision he taken at the time. Okay, this thing he was explaining to his friends. Okay, to his friends or to his someone. Okay, again came that noise from above. So after taking these decisions also, once again he heard the same noise. So whatever the noise he was hearing, once again repeatedly he was able to hear that type of sounds. Okay. Next, after that what happened? I got up, lit a beedi and paced up and down the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and good medicine practice. She had to be fat for a valid reason. Okay, valid reason. So if I made some silly mistake, and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. So like that he was saying. So one more time, he got up from his chair and he lit a beedi. Beedi means cigarette. So the tobacco type cigarette is called a beedi. Okay. So he lit. So lit, already I said. So light, lit. Okay. So he lit a beedi. So lit V1, V2, V3. So past tense also lit only. Okay, lit. Okay. So this is called a regular verbs. These are called regular verbs. Okay. So he lit a beedi and paced up and down. Paced means moving here and there. So moving front and back, like that he was moving. So he paced up and down. So he was going outside and coming inside, repeatedly he was doing that, like. Okay. And the another lovely decision he had struck in his mind. So what is that another lovely decision? Means he would marry. So why he wants to marry? So because he was after all a bachelor. Is it right? And that to a doctor. So that is the age which he wants to become a married person. Okay. So like that he was thinking that he would marry. I would get married to a woman doctor. So he already decided. So to whom he should marry? So to which person he should marry? So to whom he should marry? I would marry to a doctor. So why? So that too who had a plenty of money and good medical practices. So in the previous class we have heard. So the person who is this sorry. Okay. So the person who is who is this homeopathy doctor. So this person, he is having a less number of less amount, and he was getting so somewhat less money, so as a salary. So his salary was in a meager condition, So if he would marry to one of the good person who is spending more money in the as a doctor, and who is having a good medical practices, he would also learn that. Okay, so here, so for one of the valid, so he used to get married. He was taking a decision to get married. So for what? So that too, he used to marry one of the medical doctor who has a good medical practices, and who can spend more money. So like that. So one more important decision he took that. So he used to marry a lady who is very fat. So who is very fat. So why he used to marry? Why he took the decision like that means? So suppose if this person had made any mistake, any silly mistake, any small mistakes, so she should not follow him very fast. To beat him or to punish him. So like that, that's why only this person, this homeopathy doctor took that type of decision. So this was one of the valid reason. So valid reason means, so very important reason, very important. So valid. So very confirmed. So valid means also confirmed. So confirmed reason. So with the fixed reason only he was taking decisions like that. So like this he was taking the decisions. So after that, once again he heard that noise. Once again he heard that same noise. Okay. Then afterwards, what happened we shall say. So with such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. So with such thoughts, he again sat on the chair in front of the table. Okay. So there were no more sounds from above. Suddenly there came a dull thud. T-H-U-D. A dull thud. So what is thud? I will say. A dull thud, as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Surely nothing to worry about. Even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. The snakes landing on me, and my turning were simultaneous. So here one thing say. So after taking the decisions, so he started to once again he went to the chair and he sat on the chair. So after that, so suddenly there was no more sounds. There were no more sounds which he was repeatedly hearing in the past. So suddenly the sounds has been stopped. So afterwards what happened? Suddenly one of the dull thud. So T-H-U-D, dull thud. So a dull thud, as if a rubber tube fallen on the ground. Suppose you take any big tractor for the tractor there will be middle tire, okay, which is very much big. So if that tire was fallen suddenly on the ground means, so which type of a noise will come? So a sound will come, so like a thud, so like a thud. So that type of a sound he heard from the backside, he heard from the backside. So he was unable to look like that, he was not able to see to the backside. So at that time what happened? Suddenly there came a dull thud as if the rubber tip fallen to the ground. Surely nothing to worry about. So at that time he was thinking that no need to worry. So there was no sounds, the sound has been stopped. So something it might be fallen on the ground, he was thinking. So afterwards what happened? Even so I thought I would turn around and take a look. He was taking a decision to look backside and to turn around and to look what is happening there. Okay, like that, what is happening at the backside of him. So he was trying to do, he was taking a decision. No sooner had it turned, a flat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. So a fat snake wriggled. Once he turned around at the backside. So very fastly he turned at the backside. So by turning around his backside, so one of the very fat snake, what happened? It made carousel. It was coiling. To the chair and landed on his shoulder. Shoulder means this part. So this total part is called the shoulder. Okay, on his shoulder it was landed. So after landing, so here what happened? See, whatever he was turning around the backside, so and the snake which is landing on his shoulder, the both of the situations became very much faster. So within a second, it became very much faster. So it not taken much time. Okay. So within on the spot, the both of the things at a time, the both of the things happen. Okay, at a time. So he was turning around backside and the snake coiling to the chair and landing on his shoulder. So this both of the things happened on the spot. Okay, so like this became, okay, simultaneous. So simultaneous means both at a time. So to happen at a time. Okay, so like this it will be. Okay, so this is up to here. So after making this situations, so what happened to the person? What happened to this homeopathy doctor? Or else what he had done? Did he got feared or not? So what that fat snake had done to this homeopathy doctor, we shall see in the next class. So up to that time, you once again you try to read the lesson if you are having a textbook, or else you once again repeat the lesson very clear and understanding. So whatever the meanings I have written on the board, you try to understand them very concentrated, very interestingly. So I think so till now you have understood this concept very easily. So in the next class maybe we shall complete this lesson. Okay, so have a good day, children. Thank you for listening to my class. Okay, thank you.